Sometimes an Arab starts a sentence and suddenly stops. You wait for the rest, but the rest never comes. And somehow everyone understood. So what did you miss? Nothing. Sometimes the sentence doesn't need to be finished. Let me show you. إذا أمي عرفت قلت لأمك شو صار؟ لا. إذا أمي عرفت. He doesn't say what his mother will do, but you understand something bad will happen. The situation and his tone complete the meaning. And sometimes stopping early can be a warning. إذا بتعملها مرة تانية ليش معصب؟ كنت عم أمزح معك. اسمع، إذا بتعملها مرة تانية. He doesn't finish the sentence, but you don't need the rest. So the basic meaning if you do it again, and here don't do it again. The unfinished sentence itself works as a warning, but sometimes the speaker stops because the rest is already understood. كنت بدي إجي بس ليش ما إجيت مبارح؟ والله كنت بدي إجي بس. So he stops after بس. But the message is already clear. Something prevented him from coming. So the basic meaning, I wanted to come but. And here I wanted to come but I couldn't. He may stop because he doesn't want to explain the reason or because the rest is already understood. And sometimes what's left unsaid is the speaker's real opinion. أنا لو محلك فكر أعطيه فرصة تانية. أنت حر. بس أنا لو محلك. It's up to you, but if I were you and he stops, he never says I wouldn't do it. But that's exactly what he is suggesting. So the basic meaning, if I were you, and here I wouldn't do that. The speaker doesn't finish the opinion because the other person can already understand it. The important part, when an Arab stops in the middle of a sentence, don't immediately think you missed something. Sometimes there are no missing words to hear. Instead of waiting for the rest, pay attention to the situation, the tone, and what come before. They often give you everything you need to understand the message. The speaker stops, the context finishes the sentence. So next time an Arab says, إذا أمي عرفت and stops, you already know what it means. Run. See you in the next lesson.